On May 17, 2024, at 4 p.m. Bujumbura time, a team of missionaries from the Holy Grace Methodist Church in Korea arrived at Meikyo Ndadaye Airport in Bujumbura. This delegation, composed of Senior Pastor Lee, Elder Church Member Ko, and his wife, was warmly welcomed on the arrival by Pastor Daniel and his wife, as well as by Pastor Trezor and his family. Without delay, the team immediately headed toward Rumonge. Along the way, a mechanical incident forced the missionaries to take a break. Taking advantages of this unexpected event, they had the opportunities to admire the Burundian landscape. The second day of their stay in Burundi, in the afternoon, these missionaries visit the Kirimba orphanage. This establishment is divided into 3 sectors. The first one is reserved for infants aged 0 to 6 months, a second for children aged 6 months to 2 years, and finally, a last one for those over 2 years older who have not yet found an adoptive family. Filled with deep emotion, the missionaries went through the children's room, taking some of them in their arms. Appreciating this laudable initiative from the community of Pentecostal Church in Burundi, Senior Pastor Lee expressed the desire to support this project on behalf of the Holy Grace Methodist Church. He therefore requested the production of an annual inventory of needs so that this church could provide assistance, in particular in terms of feeding newborns. The third day of the stage of the Korean missionaries of the Holy Grace Methodist Church corresponds to Sunday, May 19, 2024, the Feast of Pentecost. This date remains significant in the history of the Holy Grace Methodist Church, symbolizing the solemn organization of a parish in Korea abroad of the time. This is the opening ceremony of Rumonge Holy Grace Church founding worship. Through the songs, the faithful of this church express their gratitude for being freed from sin through the sacrifice of Jesus and praise the divine greatness. At the same time, they share the biblical story of Nehemiah fulfilling his mission. In his homily, Senior Pastor Lee noted that the church was born on the day of Pentecost, a significant parallel with Rumonge, which officially began its activities on the same day. Based on the Gospel writings according to Matthew chapter 16, verse 15 to 18, he affirmed that throughout the world, Jesus Christ remained the indisputable foundation of the church. To this end, it is hoped that Rumonge Holy Grace Church founding worship announces the gospel of God, works in collaboration with the Holy Spirit to transform the lives of individuals, cooperate with other churches to spread the teachings of Jesus everywhere. Concluding his speech, Senior Pastor Lee blessed all the church in Rumonge as well as those throughout Burundi. The representative of the guests in turns addresses words of encouragement to the faithful of the Rumonge Holy Grace Church founding worship in these terms. Every church begins with just 2 people, grows, and then finds itself populated by millions. In his speech, the governor expresses gratitude to the Holy Grace Methodist Church for choosing to invest in Burundi as a whole and more particularly in the province of Rumonge. He assured that the Burundian government will do everything possible to facilitate the activities of the church, particularly those aimed at contributing to the development of the country. In conclusion, he offered gifts to the missionaries present and also sent gifts to the missionaries who were part of this first team. This day ended with a friendly moment around the drink. On Monday morning, a seminar was organized for pastors and other ecclesiastical executives. During this session, 2 themes were addressed: what is the gospel and what is not the gospel? These topics were respectively covered by Senior Pastor Lee and Pastor Dr. Moses Nicolette. In conclusion, the missionaries closed the activities with a visit to the Mugweji 2 primary school located in Bilimba district in Rumonge commune. In order to support current initiatives, they donated 200 bags of cement, reinforcing boards, while promising to continue to support the construction of new classrooms as well as the renovation of old ones. Senior Pastor also took the time to address a few words to the students, strongly encouraging them to devote themselves fully to their studies because among them are future leaders. Currently, Rumonge Holy Grace Methodist Church founding worship continues its activities aimed at spreading the gospel of Jesus Christ.